Hello everyone, long time no see. Here is Rui. Today we bring you our newest generation Leader-16th cool bag dual-use making machine. This machine can reduce your production costs and add more new technicals. Increase your production. The operation will be more easier. Under this economic background, this machine is your best choice. Leader-16th machine speed can stable at 90 to 100 pieces per minute. Compared with the last generation, we increased the speed 20 pieces per minute. Based on same cost, you can produce more than 20,000 to 30,000 pieces bag per day. And for each year, you will have more than 40,000 USD extra profit. So now you are interested for this machine? Let's go to see how this machine look like. Indirect tape pasting. Compared with the previous continuous pasting, we save the material around 7 cm for each bag. For 1 year, it can save $20,000.
Handle automatic equal functions, delete manual adjustment through the accurate algorithm of the electric eye and the upgrade of the intelligent system. Each handle produced is located in the middle of the mouth of the bag, which completely solves the waste problem of the offset handle.
Side arrow automatic adjustment. 2 electric eyes automatic checking. Let each bag of the mouth is flat.
Z-shaped coat cutting blade. Make the bag more delicate and beautiful at the same time. Compared with the straight knife, it can directly save the fabric cost of 5 mm wide, reduce the material cost for you, and improve your market compaction again.
Moreover, the new upgrade Nonwoven bagging machine system make operation more easier. Even a new hire can be skilled in 1 week.
In addition to having a professional technical team, we have also invested tens of the millions of dollars in a military-grade intelligent detail processing center to benchmark the world quality from the source, escorting your high quality and high precision equipment. As the world's largest Nonwoven bag making machines manufacturer, Ounuo Machinery insists on taking the user as the center and the industry changes because of us as the mission.
In the future, we will keep exploring and pursuing, contributing our strength to the global environmental protection cause.